Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 7th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So, on the daily time frame, we have definitely been going down, but like I've been saying all week long, I still kind of doubt that this move is over. If we look at the weekly, we definitely didn't bounce from that Fibonacci, the 78% Fibonacci that I've been talking about. So, there is definitely still a very good likelihood this move down is just a pullback to this move up, which is why we got our Fibonacci retracement from here to here to see if we get a reversal at a Fibonacci level. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely did get a reversal up. We definitely did get a break of structure at the 50%. And it is definitely kind of a three-way pattern right here. So there is definitely a good chance that it just keeps on going up. Now, I have my Fibonacci retracement from here to here, just in case it does decide to turn into like more of a complex pattern. Maybe it goes to a fib level, breaks down, and then goes to one of these lower fib levels and then breaks up. But we do have to keep in mind the trend is up. And I personally wouldn't really be focused on shorts. I would definitely still be trying to go long at the end of pullbacks, especially when you get Fibonacci bounces and breaks of structure to the upside. So definitely still focused on longs because of the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.